welcome back. The hair today is brought to you by Unice. I am going to be installing their 26-inch highlight wig. Yes, it looks very scary right now, but don't fret because we are fin to slay this wig. And I know I said fin to, don't judge me. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and slick this hair back and throw on this wig cap because that's step one. And I'm not wasting no time, honey. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on this Got to Be Free spray onto the wig. My stocking cap is running. That's never happened to me before, so I was kind of unsure if I should continue, but I didn't feel like starting over, so here we are. Anyway, just going in with my L'Oreal True Match powder to make the stocking cap look more like skin, I guess. I guess it works. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess cap because I'm tired of looking like this. And now what I'm doing is just going in and cutting off the rest of the cap, but I noticed that it was stuck to my forehead, so I had to use a brush and some water to loosen it up some so that I can continue to cut it. Okay, and now I'm just going to go in with several layers of this Got to Be Free spray. And when I say several, I mean like 3, but I really didn't have time to put all of that in the video because you get the point. Do like 3 layers. Actually, do however many you want to. I did 3. I feel like it worked the best for me, so there's that. I don't know about you, but this part of the install gives me the most satisfaction, honestly, because I get to see it come together when you just pull that wig cap on over that glue and like melt it down. That's the best part. Okay, so here is where I got nervous because I was like, what the fuck is this? I look like Goldilocks from Goldilocks and 3 Bears. I was real nervous, but you know, I got some perseverance, so I decided to continue on with this install and do my baby hairs. The only thing I'll say is that because the hair is such a light color, you can't really see the edges. Well, at least not on me. It kind of like blends in. But again, it's just because of the hair color. It's not a problem or anything, but just know your edges are not going to stand out like that, which some people like, you know, the natural look. So it's fine. I'm just throwing that out there. these curls. This hair curls so amazingly. Just saying. Okay, so I just got done curling the hair, did my edges, and when I took that bandana off, I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because it still looks a little bit like a Shirley Temple wig. But we are not done. There's still a few more things that we need to do to get it to look as natural as I want it to. So I just had to trust the process, and it wound up working out in the end. This is just me playing around with a couple of hairstyles. This is something I like to do when I install my wigs, just to see how it looks besides down. So that's what I'm doing here. So while I'm over here messing with this hair, I guess I'll tell you a little bit about this hair. I absolutely love this wig so much. It is so thick and it is so full and it's so voluminous. It holds curls really, really well. Like, this is honestly my favorite wig. Like, the color was even beautiful. Like, I love the colors, I love the highlights. Like, and it's so crazy because at first when I took it out the box I was real nervous because it looked real crazy, but like after you like not color it, but after you like install it and curl it a little bit and really just tailor it to your face, it is like probably one of the best wigs that I have ever owned, honestly, and I love it so much. I know you see it. I know you see them layers in that hair. First of all, I cut my layers on each side off camera. But oh my gosh, the way this hair lays, it is just spectacular. Like, I can't say it enough. Like, I love this wig. Go get it. All the information in the description box below. Like, look at this. Like, look at this. Look at it. Just look. I'm sorry. This is just my favorite wig. Okay, that's all. Y'all, look at this highlight when I put it behind the ear. Y'all, it's the details for me. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this hair. It literally speaks for itself. I have nothing else to say. Like I said, all the information for this hair is in the description box below. Go check this hair out. Like, it is amazing. It is bomb. This wig is wigging. It's doing everything I needed it to do. And I don't think you'll regret it. I absolutely loved it. And if you get it, let me know how it turns out. But that's it for this video. You guys, thank you so much for watching. And adios till next time.